What's up, everyone, and welcome into episode 49 of Inside 300. I'm your host, Brian Perry. We start off with a viral video on TikTok that has reached over 1 million views and involves a woman getting ejected from Disneyland because she didn't make it to the, you know what? I'll just let you watch it. Here you go.
Because I have a bad bladder. I don't think you understand what women's bladders are all about, but I really have a bad bladder. Okay. And there's no reason for you to justify me or judge me.
I am not judging you, ma'am.
You are, sir.
No, I'm not.
Tom.
I'm not judging you.
Can
I'm
you
here
please
to
be your manager? Because it's
I am the manager.
Somebody higher up, sir. What?
I'm asking you to leave property for your actions and behavior.
Not a problem, Tom. But I needed a urinate. Okay, what? Okay, what? It sounds like you're just saying okay,
yeah,
but I need a manager.
I'm saying okay.
I went to Alani, to Hawaii in April, Tom. I paid for your paycheck, sir. Everybody else is here.
So I'll give you time to discuss the parking arrangement.
Thank you, sir.
Unfortunately, I can't get
I will leave. No, thank you, Tom.
I'm gonna refrain from making any sort of extensive comments here. I will say, you know, I'm jealous that she's been to Alani. There are over 15 bathrooms within Disneyland Park. And finally, great job by the cast members. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. The content was posted by the account Jamie Lynn's Pregnancy Test, which is quite the username. If you attended Animal Kingdom back in the first 8 years of its existence, you might remember Camp Mini Mickey, the old school safari, and the lack of an ominous mountain roller coaster in the Asia portion of the park. Well, now for all you youngins out there, you get to experience the lack of Expedition Everest yourselves, as the ride will shut down for 3 months at the start of 2022. Happy 50th, huh? The report alleges that routine maintenance updates will be made to the Matterhorn's little brother, but the question on everyone's mind surrounds the Yeti and whether or not the infamous animatronic will finally be fixed. Expedition Everest's Yeti has notoriously been disabled for over a decade and no longer reaches down at the coaster train like it once did. Former Imagineer Joe Rohde has gone on record saying that the attraction's mascot would eventually be fixed, but since then, Joe has retired, and the fate of the mountain's monster remains a mystery. After swiping down and trying to grasp the passengers for just about a year, the Yeti was eventually put into B mode due to the stress the immense creation was putting on its foundation. Due to its complicated location within the huge mountain, fixing the beast could take nearly a year. Construction crews would have to open up the man-made mountain and remove the 25-foot Yeti before working on it and eventually putting it back and replastering the mountain. Prior to the opening of the Avatar portion of the park, closing down one of Animal Kingdom's only e-ticket attractions was extremely unrealistic. Even now, while many of us would love to see the Yeti perform to its full capabilities, thousands and thousands of guests continue to enjoy the ride while, quite frankly, having no idea that the Yeti was supposed to even move to begin with, which is a shame because it really was a magnificent sight, even if it only lasted about a year. So is it worth taking the attraction away for so many people to simply update a 3-4 second portion of the ride for us diehards? From a selfish standpoint, I'd say sure, but not to mention, the venture wouldn't be cheap. My guess is we'll continue getting the stationary Disco Yeti even after this 3-month closure. We all got a sneak preview of the new anthem coming to Walt Disney World for the 50th anniversary. You Are the Magic is the new theme song for the upcoming nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment. Take a listen.
Oh, take a magical carpet ride, travel to Neverland, just believe that you can.
It feels absolutely amazing to be a part of this celebration.
If you believe today, then it's possible tomorrow.
Playing the music for the first time, I mean, it really brings that Disney feel, that Disney magic.
You are the magic.
You Are the Magic will debut with Disney Enchantment for the 50th anniversary on October 1st. We've been covering the release of the Fab 50 character collection coming to Walt Disney World for the last few months, and now not only is the full list revealed, but we already have some of the sculptures installed in the Magic Kingdom hub. In the end, there were a total of 36 sculptures created for the anniversary, with many of them featuring a pair of characters to reach the 50-character plateau.
That's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300, presented by InsideTheMagic.com. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. This way you're notified every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning when we come to you with brand new episodes. I will see you next time, and until then.
Bye-bye.